y'all. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this weave ponytail. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do to achieve this super sleek pretty pony. Like, look at it, you guys. It is giving very much what it needed to give. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Okay, so let's get this started. This is what my natural hair looks like.
You look a mess.
I have this hot comb from Amazon. It is so good, you guys. This gets hot so fast. It has like this protector on it right now, but you can take that off, and this works so good. I'll have it linked down below. But I just use this to kind of get my hair ready for the pony. Like, if you guys can see, I do have a little bit of texture, and I did take down the pony I had in yesterday just so that I could redo this for you guys. So I'm just taking the hot comb, and I don't have it on the highest heat setting because it's really not that serious, you know. I have it on, I think, 410. Let me see. Yeah, I have it on 410. The highest is 450. And if you see smoke coming off of it, mind your business, because I do still have a little bit of product left in the hair from the last pony I did. But I'm doing this for y'all because you don't want your pony to lay bulky. You want it to lay flat. Then I take my hair and I just start to brush it up so I can get an idea of what it's gonna look like once it's all in the pony, and that way I can determine, okay, it's straight enough for me to proceed. So I'm just gonna tie a little hair tie around my ponytail and just put it in a little bun for now. Now I'm gonna show you how I usually lay it. I use this bedhead hairspray. It's the Hardhead Extra Strong Hold hairspray. This works wonders. Just gonna take this. Okay, good. And then I take the hair and I just spray this hairspray directly on the perimeter. And I take a brush and just quickly brush the hair flat. I remove the hair tie. Whoop, not it stuck. I remove the hair tie. Continue to smooth it with my hands. And then I'm putting the real hair tie on. So this one is like an extra long hair tie that you can use for like a headband. I'm using this to secure the hair because that's what we need. So this is what my natural pony looks like, and we are about to extend it, and you're going to go ahead and braid it. So I'm going to split it into 3 sections and just braid it all the way down. And you want to try to do this pretty tight because this is what we're going to wrap the bundles around. So do this tight. And I'm not the best braider, so don't hold me to this. And then I just keep braiding. Now, you're gonna wanna do your edges because we're about to tie our hair down. So I'm gonna use this edge booster, edge control. I usually use edge booster, but let me know what you guys use. This one, it kind of makes my hair wave up quite a bit, so I don't like to use too much of this. I literally only use it right on the places where I want to swoop, and that's it. Like, I don't put too much of this on the edges, but it does work really well, and for me, in my experience, it does last all day. Not me getting makeup in my edges, child. Piece right there, you know, because this is really hard to do when you can't see, but take a little piece out and slick it up. Then I take my hairspray, I'll get my scarf. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my edges down, and I'm gonna tie it over here just so it doesn't block my face too much. And I tie it just like that. So now we can start wrapping the weave hair around the ponytail. I have 2 bundles of this beauty supply store hair. You could use whatever hair you want to use. I can't remember exactly what brand this is, but I think it's the color number 2. It's a little bit too light for me, but we gonna make it work. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin, and you want to use these type of bobby pins because it just works a lot better. You're gonna take the piece of the hair and you're gonna bobby pin it into your ponytail, and then you're going to start wrapping the hair around it, and that's just going to help this stay a lot more secure. You guys can see, so I'm just wrapping the hair around the shaft of my natural ponytail, and this is going to completely hide your natural hair. And you want to do this pretty tightly. And since we have 2 bundles, you can do it pretty close together. Like when you're wrapping it around, you can go pretty close. And this step literally takes forever, you guys. Like as you can see, I'm still wrapping. You could double wrap the bundles and it'll go a little faster, but I just prefer to do it this way. Kind of want to delay getting to the base of the pony for as long as possible, because you don't want the base of the ponytail to be bulky. Because when you think about it, when you do your natural hair ponytail, the base of it is quite small. Like once you compress the hair into the hair tie, the base of it is not this wide, you know, it's normally like about this big. So you don't want to wrap so much hair around the base to where it starts to look really bulky. But I'm at the base now and I don't have that much hair left, so we should be okay. Bobby pin, don't stick it like into your scalp. You want to stick it like up into the base of the ponytail so that it doesn't cause you too much discomfort. So that's what I do, and that's what the pony looks like so far. So right now, before you add the second bundle, you just want to brush it out, because you don't want it to be all tangled. So you just brush it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf just for aesthetic purposes. Honestly, I would normally go ahead and let the scarf stay on until I'm finished wrapping the hair around, but it's really distracting me, and I want you guys to be able to see what my hands are doing, and my edges look really good so far, period. This is what the base of the pony looks like, and this is what I meant by keeping the base of the pony small. So this is just what one bundle looks like, and you could leave it like this, but of course I'm extra, so I'm gonna add a second bundle. And you want to make sure that the 2 pieces are like really together, because if they're not, they will start to unravel and you'll see it all up and down like the ponytail. It'll start to separate and it'll look crazy. So you find where you put the bobby pin, you hold that in place, and you just continue to wrap this around the base nice and tight. And don't wrap it so tight to where it's like excruciating, you know. So you get to the end, bobby pin it, and there we have the pony. Now we have to brush all the hair out. So now you're going to take a piece from the back. This is really important because this is just going to make it look a lot more natural. You're going to take a piece from the back. I take a decent sized piece because I do like a pretty thick wrap around. And then you just wrap it around the pony just to cover up the weft. And then you bobby pin that. You could leave your pony like this, but I am obviously gonna curl it because I just love me a curled ponytail. So I'm gonna section off this side and work with this side alone. and just brush it out while my curling iron is heating up. You're gonna take nice small sections, and I go about halfway down the hair shaft and I twist up towards the top, slowly adding the ends in, and I just hold it and make sure the ends fully go through the iron, and I just drop it out and you get a perfect curl. I'm not putting any hairspray because I don't want it to look crunchy or hard. I do want the curls to fall. That's why I'm doing them so tight. So just keep doing that. I'll show y'all again. I go about halfway, then I curl up, and you see this little piece is out at the end. I'm focusing on the top first, and then I'll add more hair as we go. So now that we're getting closer to the front, you really want to make sure that you flip this curl out, because it's going to give the effect that I'm going to show y'all in a sec, and over direct it. Ooh, not this getting mixed in, child. Okay, you're going to flip it right here, and you see how much hair is not in the curling iron yet? You really want to focus on this first flip and make sure you get a lot of heat right there, because you want this to stay. And then once you got it positioned, you can keep twisting, add in the hair. And you just want to hold it pretty high up too. As you guys can see, I'm holding it quite tighter than I normally would have for like these other pieces that I did. And then I let it out. And you guys can see how it has that lift right here. That's what I want towards the front of the ponytail. I'm gonna do it again for this piece, but you guys can see how it kind of like it gives that. That's what I want it to give. Let it out. Ooh. And then I just let it out. And then I kind of pull and redirect the curl. And now that the curl, you see how the curl is just going like that? That's how I want it to go. So I'm gonna actually set it with a little bit of hairspray. Nothing too much, because I don't want it to be too hard. And then we'll go ahead and curl the other side the same way. Y'all, this came out so good. Like, are you crazy? And then I just pull it and fluff it just like how I did on the other side. So classy, so seamless. It has some bounce to it. That's why I didn't want to leave it straight, because I feel like the curls just give it a nice bounce. They're gonna fall and look so pretty. So this is the final look, you guys. I'll have all the stuff I use, like the hairspray, the edge control, my edge control brush, my hot comb, the curling iron. Everything will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can pick it up if you need to. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you're feeling it, what hairstyles you guys want me to try next, because I do have a couple ideas. So let me know about that. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of your love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.